Alright guys, just got back from my 18-day bender out there in Manila. Anyway, check this out. Right here in the driveway. Look what you got there. And look what you got there. So that's a locust. That's a cicada before coming out of his shell. I finally was able to find a cicada that hasn't molted yet. And I'm glad I could get it on film. And you see, this guy's obviously done playing games. He's like, let me get you. Oh my goodness, he's coming. Uh-oh. Okay.